said I got pizza. It's snowing really bad. Sam and I just stopped and got
It's the first time either of us have had it, right? I've never had this.
I've never had it in my entire life.
We always wanted to, but then we were so close to coming here, so we just said we'll wait and try the real thing.
And
we're sitting on our little stools that I wanted to sit on.
Sam was most excited about the stools. Out of absolutely everything, food-wise, she just wanted to sit on little stools. These big two bowls of soup, in total, $4, $2 a piece, and they are giant. Just got some iced tea too. And pretty good.
People are staring now that you brought that out. What are you putting? Egg waffle.
Yeah, we're getting an egg waffle. We just got our waffle. We've already eaten half of it. It was like 75 cents. Should have got a flavor.
Yeah, it's plain.
But it's really good. I mean, as far as waffles go.
Hey, something else. When we were eating at that pho place.
Oh, yeah.
People just throw their napkins on the ground. By the littering here. Not really, but a little bit.
Littering is pretty bad.
The next day.
We just had the most amazing breakfast like 2 hours ago, and then we walked around town for a little bit so we could go drop off our laundry. And then we came back. Sam made an appointment to have a complimentary manicure while you stay at this hotel, which is kind of cool, I guess. I kind of forced her to do it. I like free shit, so I like taking advantage of the free stuff. But now we're going back out on the town. I'm gonna bring the camera with. Sun Chow. All right, we're back on the streets. Streets of the Nam.
The birdie.
We are now on the train street, and for whatever reason, there's only certain places that you can go. There's like armed military guards, kind of not allowing tourists to go. Look, other people can walk just fine. Yeah,
She shooed me away.
shoot us by. Sam and I just stopped at this place called Pinky Coffee. Sam is trying the egg coffee. I'm not sure what I got.
Something hibiscus.
And Sam saw that they had the egg coffee, which is a Vietnamese thing. So she decided that she'll try it.
Hey, I gotta get a picture of it first. Or I'm messing all up.
Oh my god, that's so good. So good.
I don't know how to. That just tastes like a marshmallow. But it was just all foam. I don't know if you're supposed to mix it. We're gonna mix it after.
People make this out to be gross.
Maybe it's just the idea that it's egg.
Yeah, I don't like eggs,
But you like to eat them every day?
I don't eat them every day. But that's good.
Just like a marshmallow.
It does taste like marshmallow. Let me try another sip.
Yum. I could have this every day. Is there caffeine in here though?
Oh, there is coffee at the bottom.
Was it warm?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, there's most definitely coffee at the bottom. That's not so good.
Got a little banh mi. I think it just means sandwich. That's good.
It's yummy. It's warm. Toasted.
I think we got chicken. There's lettuce, carrot, sauce. I don't know. Cucumber. It's good. We just stumbled upon this little pond. Oh, look at the bridge. ladies that have like little carts of donuts. We bought some donuts, found out it's a scam. And every single person wants to give the white people a ride. But don't buy donuts in Vietnam.
And how are they?
They suck. They're terrible. They're not even good. I don't mind getting ripped off for something good, but they're not even remotely good.
No. Don't waste your money.
We're starting to think that we're not going to get to see the train street. We spent about 3 hours today dedicated to standing there with no train.
A few moments later.
After spending literally all day trying to see this stupid friggin' train, we got to see it twice. We can say we saw it because it seems like it's not going to last for much longer at all.
I think it was. I think it was worth it, especially since it seems like they're shutting it down.
Yeah.
We watched it twice and I was cool with both times.
Yeah, I just want to see it during the day. I think during the day it would be sick. Now we are headed home for the night because tomorrow we're going to Halong Bay.
The next day.
We're packing up, we just had breakfast. We are just waiting on our transportation to Halong Bay. I'm pretty excited. I've never been on a cruise. I know this isn't like a real cruise, not a carnival cruise, but
An even better cruise.
yeah, should be fun. Should be exciting. Should have a good time. But yeah, we are gonna head down pretty soon to the lobby. Wait for our bus to come pick us up to take us, I think it's like an hour and a half to Halong Bay before we get on our cruise. But yeah,